Hi there. So today I have prepared a little meditation since it's snowy here in Slovenia and it just calls for such opportunity. I'm in the forest with you and I think it will be very nice to do this together. This is a guided winter meditation that I have actually written myself. It's a first full meditation that I wrote, so I hope you will like it. Let's dive into it. I have it written down so that it flows as it should. First thing you have to do right now is find a calm place, a calm, quiet place where you will not be interrupted by anyone. Sit or lay down and just relax. Once you have done this, close your eyes and keep them closed until I invite you back. Okay? So close your eyes now. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale the light. Exhale the white mist. Inhale the light and exhale everything that doesn't serve you at this very moment. Feel the warm feeling of love entering your body. Feel it spreading into every cell of your very existence. Imagine spiraling out of your body into the land of imagination. You find yourself surrounded by beautiful nature. It's covered with snow. Notice how serene and peaceful it is out here. You can see or sense snowflakes dancing in front of your eyes. The light breeze is touching your face, but you do not feel cold. Love is warming up your heart. You look around yourself to enjoy the beautiful scenery. The place is so enchanting. Winter mist. Winter mist is swirling around the trees. Their branches are covered with crystallized snow. The icicles are hanging down from them as a beautiful decoration. Icicles here, icicles there. A full moon shows up from behind the clouds, casting its moonlight upon you. You look down and the snow is glittering. The glittering snow forms a path that leads you deeper into the forest. When you start walking, you realize how crisp is the snow. Crispy snow beneath your feet makes such relaxing sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Suddenly you hear the sweetest chant you ever heard in your entire life. The forest elves are calling your name. You see little light in the distance. As you approach them, you find yourself in a mesmerizing wonderland. There are little gingerbread houses all around you, surrounded by sugar canes. Sweet scents are floating around in the air. Warm lights are inviting you inside. An animal approaches you. You see who it is. It looks you right in your eyes and tells you you are safe here. You are loved. You can always come back to this place. Your guardian animal will always look after you. It takes you by your hand and you step into one of the houses together. The warmth from the fireplace fills your heart and your body. You feel relaxed. You feel at home. The crackling of the fire makes you a bit dreamy. There are candles all around the place, and some fresh baked cookies on the table. There's also a nice warm apple pie and some freshly baked bread. You feel so grateful for all the abundance at this place and in your life right now. Your animal brings you a nice warm cup of tea. You find a nice comfy sofa in the corner and a comfy blanket. It wraps your entire body and you feel even more relaxed. You find it hard to keep your eyes opened, but right before you close your eyes, you see someone standing there in the room with you. You recognize the face. It's someone close to you, someone you know or knew, someone you love deeply. You feel how this person touches your hand and strokes it ever so gently. With a calming voice, this person tells you, you are loved. You are safe, my child. Everything will be fine. We look after you, always. You are always welcome to come rest in this place. Be at peace, my dear. You are exactly where you need to be. So just rest now. At this very moment, you fall asleep in that house. See yourself spiraling back to your body in the present moment. Feel your body. You can move your hands and your feet. Become aware of the place you're in. And when you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes and come back. Welcome back. I hope this feeling of love stays with you throughout the whole day and even longer. But please remember that you can always find this feeling inside your heart. Since this is my first meditation, I would really be pleased if you leave me some comments down below about your experience. Maybe if you like to share, you can tell me which animal you've met or anything really. I would really appreciate some feedback. And let me know if you'd like to hear more of such meditations.